Morning, guys. It's Sunday, 7 o'clock in the morning. Supposed to be leaving right now to the little scrape, like I guess like a little scrape, like meet that they're having at this music shop. But yeah, we're supposed to get there like before 8 or at 8. So we're gonna get there around 8ish. I'm waiting on Chubbs. It's taking forever. So yeah, hopefully we get a spot. If we don't get a spot, then I'm not even gonna stay. I'm gonna leave because I'm not parking my car like a regular parking street.
Well, the shit was like at the first dot or like under.
Oh my god, you wild. You wild. He needs more. Got Chubbs here. Got Wall here taking pictures. These guys came mad late. We're supposed to get there at 8. It's 8:07 right now. Leave everybody from far out to come late. Fucking guy, bro. I'm gonna hand the camera over to Walt. Have him vlog and do some shit. Okay, dale. Oh, it's recording. Hello. You here?
Super pack.
For the vlog. Early. See the cars.
Truck though.
Yeah. You gotta get on.
What's up, guys? Look like we finally got some parking over here. The struggle to get some parking, bro. See, got everybody else around us. My boy Ocasio back there, Chubbs. Whole lot of cars, man. Everybody just trying to park up. That Z4. The single cam, bro. Don't diss me like that, cause I really got a single cam. Came to get some breakfast from my man's. What time is it? It's 9:41. A couple of people came. Started getting packed up. We needed some food. My man's got the pancakes and all. I got the no pancakes. My man's got an orange juice. I got a soda.
Deja que me aloques y te lo coloque. Ven pa' que pruebe un polvo de mi bloque, que eso que tú tienes. Tú no eres de la mía. ¿Cómo se llama lo que disfruto?
Yo, somebody came in a Civic on a trailer. It better be something special. So it looked like people from the gasoline called the cops. We still here though, we still here. Cops ain't stopping nothing. We're just trying to enjoy our day. Yeah, they're about to shut it down. Well, shut the people down on the sidewalk. And we was gonna park in the sidewalk, but we ended up parking in the lot. Thanks to my man Walt. We was gonna park outside and we ended up staying in here. So everybody across the street blocking the bus lane, telling everybody to get out. Look at all the cops over here.
He still got soap on his car, and he got
For real? Damn, my man's over there getting a full wash. You gotta move it with soap all on it. I want to see if you can see it. Hold on. Yeah, it's right over there. Damn, he better get him. He better get his money back. Go ahead, telling everybody to leave. Shit clean. Super clean. Oh, let me get the... Which we knew was gonna happen. Yup, so everybody from the bus lane gotta get out. Thank God we didn't park at the bus lane like we were. That's good.
That's why I was trying to make sure that Chelsea parked in here too.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to come in too, but we good right now. We in a parking lot. We good. Nobody could bother us right now. What's in here? Is it a single cam? K series, a H series?
Looks like it'd be 4 pieces.
How do you get the exhaust out that side? That's not my photography. What up, what up, what up, what up? My boy Chubbs right here, man. See it saying clean.
See the vibes.
You know the vibes. You see the vibes, you know the vibes, you feel the vibes. See the cops trying to get everybody off the sidewalks. Pretty much everyone here is pretty good. It's part of the shop, so we good. So yeah, we pretty much still here, trying to enjoy the day. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm trying to vlog and not talk too loud or have a calm voice. But yeah, we here, man, trying to just enjoy the day, vlogging. So everybody on YouTube, man, if you guys aren't here, you guys get to watch the video. Man's got the Sylvia. Damn, that shit, man, super. It's quiet too. See that? You see his angle though? Angle is serious. You know, like every meet, somebody gotta play some loud music because security came over here. Yeah, made him close his car. Still a lot of people here on the other side. But yeah, he started playing his music loud. He's brave. All the security. We still here though. We still here though. All right, update. Cops are literally just fucking with everybody, giving everybody tickets. Literally, if you pass by, they're literally turning around and giving you a ticket. Oh, guys, you want to see the guy that was selling my car on Facebook? Look at his face.
Yo.
Everybody's hitting me up, and it was this guy that was selling my car. But he was fucking around. I told him it was gonna go bad if he did it. But yeah, so we're waiting for Julio to come right now.
Shit back for sale. Civic back for sale.
Oh, we're waiting for Julio, and then we figure out what we're gonna do outside. We're not gonna stay here all day, so let's see what happens. Literally just pulling everybody over, like tents, whatever the fuck you want, just to bother people. At least 10 people have gotten pulled over. Look, that dude just got pulled over. Look at the cops right there. Literally just sitting right there, waiting for somebody to do something, and they're just catching them. Look at them, look at them. Pull somebody over, come right back, close the door, wait for somebody to look like they're doing something wrong, and pull them over. These guys have no life.
Yo, say what up to the vlog. Say what up to the vlog. What's up, guys? Keep it clean. You heard? Keep it clean, kid. You see it. You see it. See the vibes. Fire.
You know, we out here, you heard?
Okay, Zio. So show them the icy.
Yo, this shit is crazy. That kind of candy? Nah, the mango is it though. The mango is really good.
Shout out to the guy.
Ice cream for all my ice. I was gonna say that.
Yo, that was creative, man. That was dope. Yo, yeah, that caught my eye. I look how my boom too. You know what? Yeah, man. So, and not any Hennessy out there. Not any more than Hennessy. It's all like truck. Guys, it's dope. Yo, that guy's totally illegal. You got pure white. He's not gonna tell.
But that is illegal, yeah.
Yeah. Pure white is illegal. So your car is totally
Well,
illegal.
that's not illegal. Bring it over here. It's not illegal. Bring it.
Come on. You know what? For once and today, I'm not even really going on today.
Slow, you at? Right here. Go get your trophy, brother. Yes, exactly. Thank you very much, Mr. Morris. Thank you. Turn around.
Yeah, Steven, turn around.
Pose for the camera.
Yo, Steven, represent Cleveland.
Yo, the vlog is over here.
Yes. Number 5, Deadpool Jeep.
Show that all. No way. I didn't even think I was gonna.
Number 6 is not here. Satch with the gray Aristo.
Yo, this is crazy. Out of all these crazy bills you guys seen, your boy got top 10, and I still got my other one right here. It's been a good month, guys. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get home and end up closing out this vlog when I get to the house, guys. Well, close out the video, guys. Your boy got another award, and it's crazy because like literally out of all the cars I would do, there was like Ferraris, Audis, like top of the line cars. I'm not saying my car's like not good, but people usually go for like the top, you know, like models and stuff like that. Like people would rather go for like Lexus that has like bags and wheels over like a Civic that's like, you know, swapped motor and wheels, coils, and everything done to it. But shout out to Scrape. This is like literally an honor to have like top 10 out of like literally probably like 200 cars that were there, and there was like crazy cars, like $3,000 wheels. There was like if you guys seen the vlog, you guys seen what kind of cars were there. To get top 10 out of all those cars is literally an honor. But yeah, so I'm gonna close out this video real quick. Shout out to the cops that literally shut everybody down, made everybody move. You guys fucking suck ass. But yeah, if you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload. Remember, guys, build to enjoy. Until next time, peace.